Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Welcome to crochet class number 17. Today we are going to decrease. So to make a decrease in crochet, whatever stitch you're doing, it works out the same. So you just start your stitch. So I'm going to start my double crochet and you just want to leave the last 2 loops on your hook. So you start your stitch and leave those last 2 loops on your hook. And now start your next double crochet into the next stitch. So we've worked into this stitch here. Now we want to start our second double crochet into this stitch here, leaving that first double crochet on our hook. So wrap your yarn and into that second stitch, start your double crochet. So take off 2. Now you have 3 loops left on your hook. Wrap your yarn and take off all 3 loops. So that is a double crochet decrease. Now if you're doing a half double crochet, you wrap your yarn again into that first stitch, start your half double crochet, but now we have to leave all 3 loops on our hook. So start your second half double crochet into that next stitch. And now we have 5 loops on our hook. Wrap your yarn, turn your hook so your hook is facing down, and slide it through all 5 loops. So that is a half double crochet decrease. And I'll show you single crochet decrease as well. So into the first stitch, start your single crochet. So bring your yarn back, leaving everything on your hook. Into the next stitch, start your second single crochet, bringing everything back. 3 loops on your hook, wrap your yarn, hook facing down, and slide your hook through all 3 loops. So that is a single crochet decrease. So I hope you enjoyed this class as much as I did. There's a link to the playlist for all the classes in the description box down below. And if you haven't joined or subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click those buttons under this video right now. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next class. Stay hooked.